Welcome to Science 24. I'm your teacher, Nicole Gillies, and this is how you can find your way around the course. The first thing I'd like you to do is take a look at the front matter, so what we call the beginning of the course. Here you'll find my name, Nicole Gillies. Underneath you will find my phone number and email, very good ways to contact me as you work your way through the course. The next important piece that you need to take a look at would be the course outline and schedule. That can be found right here. And as you click on it, it will open a new window and show you exactly the due dates for each unit. There's 4 units in the course. The top line of due dates is for semester 1. Second line is for semester 2. Please keep those in mind as you work through the course. Heading back to the front matter or the beginning of the course, on the first page, you will find 4 pictures, and these represent the units of the course. So the first unit, matter and chemical change, is right here, followed by energy transformations, disease, defense, and human health, and the final unit is safety in transportation. This course does not contain a midterm or a final. However, there are unit exams in each unit that need to be completed. Let's just take a look on how you can complete your work and hand it in. If you click on the first unit, it brings you right into the book that contains all the material you need. So lesson 1 is on chemistry and everyday life. As you work through, each unit has exactly the same setup in each page of each unit. So, for example, there's always a what to do section as shown here. So in this particular one, you're going to be looking at the multimedia first. You're going to read in your textbook, and then you're going to complete some textbook questions and a self-check quiz. So, assuming you've completed all the required work, ready for your questions. So the first one is Unit 1, Lesson 1, Connect questions. If you click on that, you'll see exactly what a question hand-in section looks like. It's very specific. It says click on Add Submission and tells you exactly which questions and what page in your textbook you need to complete these questions on. When you're ready, all you do is you click Add Submission as shown here. What will happen is it'll load what's called an online text. The online text is a way for you to type right into the site and let you answer those textbook questions as shown above, right here. Once you've completed answering the questions, don't forget to save changes, and you'll find that just a little further down the page right here. Some students run into problems where they've completed some of the assignment but have to step away from their computer for some reason. Please make sure you save changes if you have. This is something you have to do. If you don't, you will lose your work, and I would hate for that to happen. So please do save changes. Once you hit that Save Changes button, it sends me off an email letting me know you've completed your work. The other part, I'm just going to cancel out of here. The other thing I wanted to show you is the self-check portion. So what I did is I just backed up back into the lesson. So once you've completed your Connect questions, you do want to go back into that same lesson and you want to complete these self-checks. And this one's called Common Reactions in Our Lives. I'll just click on it. These self-checks are meant to have 3 attempts to them. The reason being is it is more of a formative or a learning assessment tool for you. So when you're ready to do the quiz, you just click on Attempt Quiz Now. And once you do that, it will register 1 attempt. So be sure you're ready to write the quiz. Read each question carefully and answer either the multiple choice or short answer questions as they come to you. Once you complete all of those, let's say you've answered all these, you just click on Finish Attempt at the bottom here. One thing to note in this lesson, as you work through, you'll notice at the top here under table of contents, it's laid out very precisely for you. At the end, though, you will have a unit wrap up. So let's take a look at that. In the unit wrap up, there is a test. Now, it's pretty much your unit test. So you'll have 4 of these. So you need to be ready before you write each one. If you click on it, you'll see the attempts have changed to 2. Now, some of the unit tests, be very careful because they will be only 1 attempt. So you really need to make sure you know your material before you attempt this unit test. Thank you very much. That is the Science 24 course. Do remember to contact me with any questions or concerns as you work through. Good luck.